Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Nvidia on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, looking for a new broker? Check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie. All right, guys, Nvidia. We're just going to go right to the weekly time frame, guys. The daily, actually, you know what? Let's go with the daily. We were $5 up, 18. Well, I think we had about 10 million on the day. 32 bucks down after hours. Missed their earnings. I don't know what they had. All I know is right now is they're going down. I'm looking for areas for a bounce. I'm not finding anything all the way up until about 169 or so, guys. 170, and that's what we're holding right now. So nothing to do. But I want to go over the daily chart. And if you follow my videos, you know what I'm talking about here. So we come off a high pivot, goes down, consolidates, down. Choppy, sloppy consolidation. We talked about short-term retraces leading to more selling. This one stayed below all the moving averages. Weak stance. Okay, let's go to the weekly now. Well, now that we're $32 down, we're right at 169.70. Big area. If you take the retrace from this high to this low, you have the 618. We know if you're a fib trader, you know the 618 is a big area of support at 170.85. Then you have the even number at 169.97, and then you have this little tiny pivot here where we went up, retraced, and then took off and never really looked back from there. So that's going to be support right at the 170 as well. So watch for that. Guys, if this thing continues going lower and the markets start to tank, the SPY, the IWM, they just start giving it up, maybe on no trade deal, maybe the Brexit crap, a lot of stuff going on right now. Even jobs numbers tomorrow, we'll see where those are at and whatever else news comes out at 10 o'clock. But next area, guys, gap fill at 145. And if that gives it up, we're going to the 200 MA, wherever this might be landing when the time comes. It's going to curl up still, but right now it's at 115.11. Okay, 115.11. So great fibs, great support right here at 169, 170, even 171. But if that gives out, guys, I mean, even this low pivot at 152.81, but then you have a big gap. Yeah, not a big gap window, but you have a gap window, and it's got to be right around here. I'll tell you exactly. 146.76. So 146.76 is pretty much the official. 146, right there, right about 146.76. That's pretty much gap fill right there. So here's your areas of support, guys. That's what you're going to be watching for. If we do get a bounce here, the markets have to continue higher. It will be a market trade. If the markets start to come in again, this will go lower with the markets, and you're watching your 145, 150 area. All right, and if the markets really give it up, guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be in the low 100s right here. And maybe even to this pivot here, around 95. Anyways, it's a high flyer, guys. Let's look at a monthly chart. Same thing. There's your first hit, and this one's just flat out ridiculous, guys. I wouldn't even die if we come into the high 90s, into the 80s. To be honest with you, this is just stupid. But it's AI. No, doesn't matter. It's a stretched chart. Everybody's on. You know how many people are stuck in this trade now from all this? In 2 months, we just wiped out a year of gains. And now we're actually more. We're down here now. So in 2 months, guys, a month and a half, we wiped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 months of gains. Yeah, pretty much a year. We wiped out a month and a half. The markets keep going, we're going to be right down in here, guys. So just be careful. That's all I'm saying. A lot of margin calls are going to be happening. A lot of people loading up the house up here. It's Nvidia. And they don't go in the right size positions, guys. They go all in. My guys, my members, 10% total portfolio. In stocks like this, you got to go slow and steady. And you know, if you're getting in even around 220, 230, 240, 250, price target's still around 200. And if they really give it up, price target's around 110. So even if you're in here around 220, you might have to be married to this one for a long time, but coming in, they all do. Everyone is slowly bleeding, guys. Usually the first target will be the 200 MA on the weekly. That's what we're looking at. And wherever this resides, that's where this thing's coming to, and possibly lower, guys. So just buckle up your pants, guys, and tighten that belt. It's going to start getting fun in these markets possibly. So just go slow and steady. small positions, or no positions at all, guys. These markets are a little bit whippy, and you don't want to be stuck on the wrong side of the trade, especially in a market like this when we're whipping 1,000 up, 500 down, 1,000 up, 500 down. You know, stocks like this are just getting hammered, hammered, guys. We almost hit 300 and lights out. Gosh, this is unbelievable. And if we get back to here, guys, we're gonna wipe out a ton. We're gonna wipe out all these gains in 2 months, a year and a half. This should have never happened in all these runs, guys. That should have never have happened. They just got too many people on board there, and it's sad. So anyways, guys, check out StockBookie.com. Become a member, $30 a month. What do you have to lose at this point? We actually bought puts on this one today, and we're playing those puts. It's a 50-50 shot. But looking at the charts, down sideways, below the MAs, weak stands, you got to give it a shot. We go small positions, but tomorrow's going to be lottery, and we should get paid. So, all right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like the videos, and don't forget to become a member, or better yet, sign up at StockBookie.com, $30 a month. All right, guys, thanks again. God bless. See you on the charts.